Welcome to the MamasteFit YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be breaking down how to make the Korean seaweed soup, which is a staple in the postpartum period. It's something that our mom makes for us in large quantities after we give birth. And you can put all sorts of different types of meat in it. You can put clams in it. You can put beef, which is the most common thing that you put in it. But we want to include any sort of seaweed, obviously, it's the name of the soup, and then some sort of meat. And we're going to show you how to make it. We managed to convince her to give you her secret Korean recipe.
So seaweed soup is a really beneficial meal in the postpartum because it's a very nutrient-dense meal. It not just has like the proteins from the meats and the fats from like the soup base and the oils that you cook the seaweed in, but seaweed is a very high iron content food. So this is a really great thing for postpartum because it's not just a well-balanced, nutrient-dense meal, but it's really helpful for blood loss that we have in that postpartum period from just childbirth and then like the 4 to 6 weeks of bleeding afterwards. So it's very rich in lots of minerals and vitamins, but especially that iron.
Seaweed soup is also a warm soup, obviously. In a lot of cultures, they believe that warm foods is more beneficial to support healing after birth as opposed to eating like ice drinks and stuff. So that was something that our mom would like slap out of our hand when we were trying to drink like ice water, where she'd be like,
Or
no,
ice cream.
you can only eat warm foods to help support your healing. And so this warm soup also helps to kind of go along with that cultural belief as well.
So our mom makes this in mass quantities. We're eating this seaweed soup for like weeks on end for every meal. Like first thing you wake up, my mom's there with the seaweed soup. So we are eating it a ton to replenish our bodies. With my first 2 postpartums, I still had higher blood loss and I ate it for that like 6 weeks. I love seaweed soup, but you do get sick of it after a while. I feel like, and it's just like your body doesn't really crave it anymore. But this postpartum, I think I could have ate it for like 3 months in a row just for every meal because my body craved all of that food because I needed to replenish the iron from my postpartum hemorrhage. So I love seaweed soup. I personally prefer it with beef, but I know Gina likes it with the clams as well.
I do like it with clams. I'm a big seafood fan.
So let us know what you think of the recipe in the comments below. And if there's anything that you're wanting from us, also put those in the comments below.
I know you guys are probably wanting her kimchi recipe, and so we're going to convince her to let us film her doing that as well. So enjoy!